Okay, you gonna wash your hands? Turn the water on. Now what? Do you need soap?
Yeah.
You need to put your soap on? Where's the soap? Oh, now scrub your hands. No, you don't want to eat the soap. I bet it tastes horrid. Okay, scrub your hands. You gonna soap again? Okay. Oh, is it time to turn the light off and get down? Nope. Turn the light on. Oh, there's the fan. Soap. Okay, scrub your hands. Scrub them. Now rinse them off. Good job.